Amazon sellers, I've got breaking news. It has to do with shelf space at Amazon, and it's all bad news. So for the last 2 or 3 months, there have been some tremendously large, some tremendously advanced sellers who are selling oversized items who've received notice after notice after notice, limiting the amount of shelf space they're allowed to have at Amazon's FBA warehouses. And they're getting cut by 50%, then they're getting cut by 50% again, and it's a big problem because their ODR rates are going up. They have to increase the frequency of the shipping to Amazon. They're searching like crazy for their own fulfillment options, and it's a huge, huge problem. So that's yesterday's news. Today's news is that that same problem is now trickling down to third-party sellers who are sending in products that are not oversized items. And it's not just the big-time sellers that are getting hit. It is the everyday sellers, those of you doing tens of thousands a month or hundreds of thousands a month. You are the ones who are now getting hit with Amazon restricting how much inventory you can send in. So if you are facing this issue, please contact me in any one of these 4 different ways, and I'll call you back and we can discuss how we could potentially help you recoup some of your shelf space or find alternative ways so you can maintain your business. So please don't be shy. Please contact me so we can talk about how we can help you. And if I can steer in the right direction and just give you some free information, me and my team are just happy to do so.